See this right here? That's snow and graupel that's coming out of the cloud, but then it's evaporating and melting into rain or evaporating because of the dry air. But we're definitely having some moderate rain coming in. I actually see the poor visibilities down there. And the winds are starting to pick up. We're having about 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. The winds were calm before this came in. We're getting a bit of a gust front. And yes, the rain will become pretty moderate. Oh, here comes a good gust of wind right there. Silent for now, so you can just... This is about as heavy as it's going to get. They said there was a lot of evaporation going on. I wish it was some graupel. No, it's just rain. You can actually see some of those shafts over there. Oh wow, nice little shower. We're getting some gusty, showery rains right now. Just like this morning, I said it. Wow, this is a really heavy downpour. Wow. Whew. Yeah, if it was any more intense, it probably would be some graupel reaching the ground. No, it's all rain. No ice, just rain. It's basically kind of what I expected. Nothing more, nothing less. In fact, if you want to actually see, this one has a better, has a more glossy surface, so it can be a little bit better to see. No hail, so it's kind of unfortunate. We're definitely getting a good little soaking downpour. You can actually see, if you look up, that streak right there. And yeah, there's definitely some very gusty winds with this shower. Kind of seems like a little cell formed right on top of us, because I didn't think it was going to get this intense. I'm going to check the radar after this is done, and I'm not going to be surprised if there's actually a pretty good cell forming right where we are. No hail, no graupel, but still, wow, that is some pretty heavy rain. The roads are pretty wet, actually. So much for hail, huh? was kind of hoping for it. I was not expecting it, so I was right. I didn't think the precipitation was intense enough. Anyway, I gotta go right now. Thank you for watching. Bye.